looks like we're here.
So we just parked.
We're at Casa Bacardi.
And we're gonna go check in at the pavilion. It looks like a good time. Just got our welcome drinks. I got a mojito.
And I got tropical sunrise.
In our own cups.
We get to keep these Bacardi cups.
Alright.
Cheers!
I said that I'm not a big rum person, but... Now we wait for the tour.
Pretty cool so far.
One of the 5 kinds, but it's gonna, because of that, it's gonna have all the texture of the rum. So you combine those two bases, and you're gonna get Bacardi rum.
Just got finished with the Bacardi tour. It was pretty awesome. And in the back here, this is where you bottle your own rum. As we're not huge fans of rum, we are not doing it. Alright, Bacardi tour review. If you're a fan of rum, you'll love it. If you're not a fan of rum, it's still not too bad.
Not too bad.
Yeah, but if it's a choice between something else and this, but you're not a huge fan of rum, then maybe do something else.
We still had fun though.
True. I got to try their 10-year rum, and the lady's right, it does taste like bananas. But that's not really anything to note, because I'm not a big fan of rum.